Guys, I am so nervous right now. This is my first video with my official setup. So happy. Okay, let's go. Hello, my kings and queens, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I will be doing this look, which is basically a cut crease with a pop of color, which is like this little, you know, yellow that you see. This is my first time doing a cut crease on camera, and the first time I've actually done it right was on Snapchat. This Snapchat video that I posted, I was so excited that I actually did that right, and I was really afraid that I wasn't going to be able to post this video because I thought I was going to mess up really badly, but turns out I did really good. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. So to start off with this cut crease, I am just going to prime my lids. I don't have actual eye face primer because I have to go to the store. I have to buy more makeup. That's just how it is. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. And this is just a regular face primer. But I use it on my eyes. It's technically like, you know, they use the same thing, I'm pretty sure. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be doing one eye at a time to be talking. I'm not gonna like do both eyes because that will be long and I don't have to explain it twice. I feel like it's good enough if I just explain it once. So once I've almost plucked my entire eye socket out of my eye, on to the next thing, which are my brows. I've never done my brows on camera on my channel yet, so this will be great. Usually it takes me a while to do my brows because, you know, if you can see in old pictures that I've taken, if you know me from back then, I'm not gonna put them on the screen because I don't want to become a meme, but my eyebrows were not that good back then. I've gotten better. Okay. Oh, if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at this mirror. Whoa, that was a bad angle. To do my brows, I usually use a dip brow from e.l.f. But today I'm going to be using just these eyebrow pencils because I found that I really like them. And I know people are like, oh, drugstore makeup, you know, when you hear that name and you're like, oh, I need the expensive stuff. But drugstore makeup is really good too. And this stuff I got from, to be honest, I got it from Walgreens, okay? But it is really good, and it's Maybelline. It's supposed to be waterproof. I got this one too, and it comes with like a spoolie on it, and I'm happy about it. I mean, all right, let's go. Before I put on the brow pencil, I'm just going to spoolie my brows out and make sure that they're all going in their right direction. Then I'm going to apply the brow. We'll see what happens next. Now that I've put on the brow color, as you can see, my brows do look a little red and they're not really the same size. Don't worry, that's what concealer is for. So now I'm just going to conceal my brows, but I want to go on top with a darker brown just so my brows don't look really red. To conceal, I have two brands of concealer that I use. I use e.l.f. and I use the lightener thing or whatever. I don't remember what it's called. Then I also use the Maximum Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade Beige. I know you're probably wondering why this one is light. That's because that's what I use to conceal under my eye, because you always want a shade lighter than your skin to do under your eye, so it's like a pop. And then I also use the Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Eraser Treatment Makeup Oxygen and Sunscreen SPF 18. And this is the one that Huda Beauty requested on her Snapchat, and that's why I use it, because I love Huda. So now we're going to conceal my brows. Now once I've done that, I'm just going to blend it, obviously, because you don't want it to just stay like this. So after I've done my brows, I'm just going to start with my eyes. I'm just going to conceal my eyes with the Age Rewind, and then I'm going to start with my cut crease. So once I've done that with my eyes, I'm going to start with my cut crease. To start the cut crease, I have to form the cut right in my crease. Is that the crease? The crease, yeah. Then I'm going to blend it out. To form the line in my crease, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette that I just got. In my last video, you probably saw me review it and do a look with it. So I'm going to be using it again. But I will be using this palette in this look too. For my crease line, I'm going to be using Roxanne, which is this color right here in the middle. So I don't know what just happened. I guess my camera was not recording this whole time. So I'm just going to tell you what I've done so far. But good thing I'm not done, so the video's not totally ruined. So basically what I did was I lined my eye with the color Roxanne and I blended it out. Then I took my concealer and I just carved it out. And then I took the lightest color in light, which is this color, and I just based it on my eye. But now I'm going to do the pop of liner color, which is going to be this color that I like to call a sunset. This color, but it's actually called creamsicle, and I'm going to use that with my thinnest brush. Ooh, yeah, you're an active guy. Now I'm going to take on the other palette. This palette doesn't have any color names, but I'm going to take this color and I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm just going to add some eyeliner, and I'm really bad on doing this on camera, so I'm going to try to do this really perfectly, but if I can't, I'm just going to do it off camera. I'm probably going to have to do it off camera because I can't hold a mirror and do the eyeliner with one hand because I have to like pull my eye back. So next time you'll see me, I'll have the eyeliner on. So I'm done with the eyeliner, and now on to the next step. So I'm going to add my mascara, and I use the Great Lash by Maybelline, and it's waterproof and it's really, really good. Now that I have that on, I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. So I'm just going to conceal the rest of my face. And now I look a little bit white. So now I'm going to add my contour, and for my contour, I just use the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. Like I said, beginner makeup. As you can see, I use it a lot because it is very used. But I use this spoon, and I take the almost darkest shade. I know I do that really messy, but trust me, when I blend it, it's gonna look good. Did I tell you guys my brush broke? You probably remember it from my Instagram. Go follow me if you don't already. But on my Instagram video, I used this brush to blend my contour, and I blended it so hard that the brush actually came off. And I haven't asked my dad to glue it yet, so yeah. So once I've done that, I'm going to add a little bit of glitter in my inner corner. I'm going to use this sparkly color, this one. I just thought of a really cool way to have my eyes look more of an effect since I didn't put on these lashes. I need to get new lashes because these are the ones I have, and I don't really know how to put on lashes, so I have to learn that off camera. But I'm going to use this first brown color, and I'm just going to put that under my eye, or my, like, kind of close to my waterline. Now I'm going to highlight, and then I'm done. To highlight, oh, what do you use? What? e.l.f. I use the baked highlighter and bronzer. And I use my kabuki brush that pops up. My sisters love this brush, I don't know why. To have more of a highlighted effect, I'm going to use this eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use that color that I put under my eye, and I'm just going to make this highlighter look more, you know, showy because you can't really see it. And I want it to be like real dramatic with my eyes. Yeah, baby. You're enchanting me with everything you do. For my lips, I haven't really been like, I know like I used to love lipsticks, but right now I haven't really been like in the mood for lipsticks. And I'm just going to use this gold blushing nude lip gloss. And that completes this look. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because look, I have new things, a new setting, and yeah, subscribe to Cianity because that is like the main channel, but this is where I'll be posting like all of my makeup and things like that. Follow me on Instagram because I post pictures on there, and follow me on my main Instagram as well because I post pictures on there. Follow me on Twitter and subscribe to the channel to join the queendom because we're lit every other day because that's when I post every other day. See you guys in a couple of days, hopefully. Bye.